Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Vertical.
What does the dictionary say?
Being in a position or direction perpendicular to the plane of the horizon. Upright. Plumb.
Math rap.
To understand vertical, you need not be a magician. It's something found in an upright position, up and down in direction, like trees that grow to heights of perfection.
Math rap.
Explain the math term vertical in your own words. Place your hand out with the palm of your hand facing upwards. How long can you keep a pen standing vertical on the palm of your hand? Make a stand for the math term vertical. Choose a leg. Time how long you can stay vertical standing on one leg. Alternatively, find a pencil with an eraser on the back end. Time how long you can keep the pencil standing up without falling over. Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!